Redmi K40 Gaming Edition has confirmed to pack 5000 mAh battery, 67W charging and an OLED screen with 120Hz refresh rate. Hey, what's up? It's Anwar for TechNewLeaks. In this video, I'm going to talk about the Redmi K40 gaming smartphone. The Redmi K40 gaming phone will be the first handset of the Xiaomi brand dedicated to mobile gamers. While being part of the K40 series, it's an entirely new phone with completely different specs from the currently available ones, and the latest feature we have learned is the top-notch display. While we are patiently awaiting tomorrow's announcement of the Redmi K40 Gaming Edition, more and more official leaks keep coming. The gaming phone will support a 5065 mAh battery with 67W wired charging. This positions the device as the best equipped Redmi K40 member in terms of battery capacity and charging speed. Redmi will equip its new phone with an OLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate and all the other latest bells and whistles that suit a flagship tier phone. The new panel is 10-bit, meaning it will have 1.67 billion colors in theory, not like the 8-bit screen with 16 million colors used only by cavemen from the far year of 2020. In practice, this means better color reproduction and smoother transition. The brightness will have 8192 levels, allowing it to adapt ever so precisely in every condition imaginable. Other specs include HDR10 Plus support, DCI-P3 color gamut, and rumors claim it will be packed onto a 6.43-inch panel. In addition to the battery and charging specs, Redmi announced its partnership with JBL Audio, and the K40 Gaming Edition will be the first device to feature dual speaker tuned by the legendary audio company. In addition, we get confirmation that the device will come with high-resolution audio and dual-by Atmos support. The Redmi K40 Gaming Edition is expected to debut with a 120Hz OLED display, MediaTek's Dimensity 1200 chipset, and physical shoulder triggers, all wrapped in a sleek design with subtle gamer aesthetics. The official unveiling is tomorrow on April 27, and we expect more specs and features to be teased until then. So what do you guys think about this video? Would you be interested in buying Redmi K40 gaming smartphone this month? Leave a comment down. If you have enjoyed the video, then a like would be cherished. Thank you.